In this video, you will learn how to slow down a video on Snapchat. So the process is pretty simple and easy, and it is similar for Android as well as for iOS device. First thing, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply open up your Snapchat app. Now if you want to slow down a video on Snapchat, so first you have to simply record a video. So I want to record a video by using my Snapchat app. So you have to simply record a video first. And after that you have to simply swipe the finger to the right side. Now you will find, guys, the different filters here. So you can see this is the filter which allows you to slow down a video on Snapchat app. So by doing this, you can easily slow down your video on Snapchat app by using this hidden feature. So I hope you find this video helpful for you. Then please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to get the more informative videos like this one, so keep subscribe this channel and turn on bell notification icon for to get the more latest video updates from this channel. Thank you so much for watching.